Okay. This is International Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Manpreet Singh. I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110970. What is your name?
My name is Arshdeep Singh.
Where do you come from?
I come from my hometown VPO Musafir. It's near Nawashahar city.
Okay. Are you a student or working somewhere?
Now I am a student as recently I have completed my senior secondary education from Bhai Sangat Singh Khalsa College in art stream in the year 2020.
Okay. So what do you like to do in your future?
Well, particularly in future, I would like to become a professional esports player as since my childhood I have a huge interest in gaming. So according to that, I would like to become a professional esports player in the field of games.
Okay. Do you think in your country there is less job opportunities? That is why more and more people going abroad?
Well, as per my perception in my country, more focus is done on the theoretical work, and there are some individuals who have a keen interest in science and other streams in which more practical knowledge is required. So according to my perception, there is less practical preference given in my country.
Okay. What is your dream job?
Well, my dream job is to become a professional esports player.
Okay. Okay, now let's talk about your hometown. Do you like your hometown?
Yes, definitely I love my hometown as I have been living there since my birth, and definitely I will continue to live there with my parents in the future also.
Okay. So are there some famous places or historical places in your hometown?
No, there aren't any historical places or famous places in my hometown, but yet there is still one place which is very significant in our hometown. It is the Panchayat house, and in the evening time all the elderly people of our hometown sat over there and they just gossip and play cards over there.
Okay. So which facility of your hometown you enjoy the most?
Well, I enjoy the public playground of my hometown the most as there are many poor children in my hometown that loves to play football and many other sports in the ground. So by looking at them I enjoy it a lot as it has helped them a lot.
Okay. How is transportation system in your hometown?
Well, it's quite good in my hometown as there are several buses and tempos that are going to vibrant cities from my hometown as people often go to their jobs by using it, as there are some other needy people also who have to travel by public transport to their relatives or any other need of work.
Okay. So how often do you take buses?
Well, most oftenly when I have to go on a longer journey, I usually prefer to take bus as at that time I don't prefer my personal vehicle because I will definitely get lost by driving my personal vehicle as I will not be knowing the routes around the unknown places.
How different is your hometown compared to the other cities?
Well, in comparative to other cities, there are several tall buildings in other cities and there is a lot of pollution in the air and soil and water also. But in my hometown, it's far from the city and there isn't any type of pollution and the air is so fresh. I feel very much energetic in the morning and there are some places where our elderly people sit and talk about their lives, their daily schedule and play cards, which is very satisfying to my mind.
Okay. Do you want to see any kind of improvement in your hometown?
Yes, definitely I would like to see a development of cleanliness in my hometown as there are some individuals who just follow the policy of use and throw. And there are some places also where people litter and the animals also lay their waste over there. So yes, definitely I would like to improve the cleanliness of my hometown.
Okay, now it's time for your cue card topic. Okay, this is your cue card. You have 1 minute to prepare. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start.
Well, there are numerous activities in our hometown and as well as in the modern era that tells the creativity and the imagination level of a particular individual, and they made a renewed progress in such other fields also. But without beating about the bush, here I would like to talk about art and craft activity which I did in my matrix. And I vividly remember that during my matrix I was studying in my 8th standard, and during that time our school decided to hold a art and craft competition. So I decided to take part in the art as I have a very keen interest in painting. So I decided to make a painting for it. So the dates was given to us, and after that I decided to draw the painting of a wizard riding on a broomstick. And moreover, I was having a very keen interest in the magical words and the wizards, as since my childhood I have been watching movies related to wizards and the magical words. I have the very curiosity to know that how they were just able to shrink themselves in the smaller animals, and how they were able to ride on the broomstick by just flowing their wand. So by the time I was making the sketch, and in my mind I was also preparing that how I can color it with pastel colors and with the mixture of some crayons. And after making the sketch, I colored it with some watercolors and mixed it some sketches, and it was definitely looking very good. As it was quite often I enjoyed it a lot by making it, as since it was the first painting of mine that I made since from my childhood, as I was not able to make some paintings from my childhood. But after making those painting, I got a second position in the art and craft competition. So my teacher was really happy with me, and she encouraged me to make more paintings rather than the wizard ones, as she told me that you have very creative and imaginative mind that you can make some other renowned paintings also. It was a quite good experience for me, as I have enjoyed it a lot, and moreover my teachers and my class fellows were also happy with me. All in all, this was the time when I made a painting for the art and craft competition, and I won it in the second position.
Okay. What kind of extracurricular activities do schools offer in a country for a student?
Well, definitely they offer them a numerous activities. They offer them some sports activities and cooking, and some schools even offer the swimming lessons to their individuals, as though there are some children in the modern era who have a very keen interest in swimming and cooking, as they have their future plans to go abroad for their higher education. So at that time they have to make their food on their own.
Okay. Do you think they need to be improved?
Yes, definitely they need to be improved, as the technology is flourishing day by day, and there are many numerous modern gadgets that have been introduced, and due to that thing, many firms and organizations are changing their hiring schedule. And so yes, they need to be improved, as there might be some firms and organizations in the upcoming generation that might require some different recreational skills.
Okay. Have school activities improved any skills within you?
Yes, definitely it has improved my cooking skills, as I was not able to properly cook the chapati and some other vegetables also. But since I started to take cooking lessons in my school, it has greatly benefited a lot, as sometimes my parents are not at home, they have to go to other cities for as per their work schedule. So sometimes I am alone at my home for some days, so at that time I have to cook food on my own.
Okay. Do you think children must be encouraged to learn drama and other art forms like painting and dancing in schools?
Yes, definitely they should be encouraged, as there are some learners who have a very keen interest in the field of dance and making paintings, and no doubt we can see in the your days there were many renowned painters like Pablo Picasso and Leonardo da Vinci who have made a great progress in the field of painting. So definitely the parents of the children should encourage them to do painting who have a very keen interest in it.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you.